In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use responsive behaviors in Wix Studio. Let's get started by opening the Wix Studio editor. Once the editor is open, you'll be greeted with your workspace. This is where all the magic happens. The editor is your main hub for making changes to your website's design. It's important to get familiar with this environment as it allows you to customize your site exactly to your liking. Now, click on the element you want to make responsive. This could be anything from text to an image or even a section. By selecting an element, you're telling Wix which part of your site you want to adjust. This step is crucial because responsiveness is all about how these elements behave on different devices. Once you've selected your element, direct your attention to the right-hand panel. Here you'll find various options that allow you to customize your element's appearance. This panel is essential because it houses all the tools you'll need to tailor your design. Next up, find the design settings in this panel. Within design settings, you'll see options that control the look and feel of your element. Exploring these settings can give you a better understanding of how your element will appear across different platforms. Now, look for the responsive behavior section. This is where you can choose how your element responds to changes in screen size. Selecting the correct responsive behavior is key. It ensures your site looks great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. In the responsive behavior section, you'll see several options: scale proportionally, custom scale, wrap, fixed, and hug. Let's briefly explore each one. First, scale proportionally. This option allows your element to maintain its aspect ratio as the screen size changes. It's perfect for images and videos where you want to keep the original proportions intact. This option is important because it ensures visual consistency. Next is custom scale. This gives you more control over how your element scales. You can set specific scaling behaviors for different screen sizes. This flexibility is useful when you have unique design requirements. Then we have wrap. This option allows text or other elements to move to the next line when the screen size decreases. It's particularly useful for text-heavy sections, ensuring readability on smaller devices. Moving on to the fixed option. Choosing fixed keeps your element size constant, regardless of the screen size. This can be useful for buttons or logos where you want to maintain a consistent appearance. Lastly, there's hug. This option makes your element resize based on its content. It's ideal for elements with dynamic content, ensuring they always fit neatly. After selecting the desired responsive behavior, take a moment to review your changes. You'll see a visual confirmation of how your element will look on different devices. This step reassures you that your adjustments are applied correctly. With everything set, you can preview your site to see how it looks on different screens. This is a great way to ensure your responsive design is working perfectly. And there you have it. With these steps, your Wix site will be more responsive and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!